Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Amalia Shamshara, and today I want to talk to you about something close to home, supporting local businesses in Indonesia. Did you know that Indonesia has over 64 million micro, small, and medium enterprises, contributing more than 60% to our countries? These local businesses are the backbone of our economy, employing more than 97% of the Indonesia workforce. Think about that. Almost everyone around you is directly or indirectly supported by these local enterprises. Not only that, but many local businesses, especially in sectors like agriculture and crafts, preserve Indonesia culture and heritage. When you buy a product from a small business, you are not just getting an item, you are supporting the preservation of local tradition and crafts passed down for generations. And in this speech, I'll show you how a simple decision to support local businesses can strengthen our communities, uplift families, and ensure the rich diversity of Indonesian culture continues to thrive. The first one is supporting local businesses strengthen economy. When you spending money at a local business, you are directly contributing to the local economy. For every rupiah spent at a local market or shop, a significant portion of it stays within the community. This creates a multiplier effect where you are purchase supports not only the business owner but also other local suppliers, farmers, and workers. In Indonesia, MSME play a critical role in absorbing unemployment. By shopping at a local businesses, you are directly helping people secure their livelihood. It's more than just buying goods, it's about helping people sustain themselves, supporting families, and reducing poverty in your own community. Imagine buying tempeh from a local vendor. The tempeh maker likely buys soybean from a local farmer, who in turn hires workers from the surrounding villages. This kind of small economy loop keeps resources circulating within the community, creating stability for families and even opening opportunities for future generations. And the second one is preserving culture and tradition. Indonesia is known for its rich diversity with thousands of islands, ethnic groups, and cultural traditions. Local businesses, especially in sectors like crafts, textiles, and food, are integral to preserving this heritage. When you buy batik from a local craftsman, you are not just purchasing fabric, you are supporting a centuries-old tradition that tells the story of our culture. Many of these businesses are family owned, with skill passed down through the generation. If you don't support them, we risk losing a part of our national identity. Think a local markets like those in Yogyakarta or Bali, where each stall is testament to the rich, creative history of Indonesia. By shopping locally, we ensure that this tradition continue to thrive, preserving them for future generation to experience. For the example, did you know that Indonesia the traditional hand-woven textiles such as tenun are recognized globally, but without local support, these businesses could fade away, replaced by mass-produced goods. When you purchase local, you help keep these skills alive and showcase the beauty of Indonesian craftsmanship to the world. And the third one is supporting local businesses is environmentally sustainably. One of the hidden benefits of supporting local businesses is the positive impact on the environment. Local businesses often source their materials or product locally, which reduce the need for a long distance transportation. This means fewer carbon emission from shipping and less packaging waste, contributing to a healthier environment. For the example, when you buy vegetables at a local pasar or from a neighborhood farmer, those products have traveled a much shorter distance compared to imported goods at large supermarkets. This not only guarantees fresher produce but also reduce the environmental impact associated with transportation. Additionally, local farmers are more likely to use sustainable farming practices that respect the land and water resources, as they rely directly on the local ecosystem for their livelihood. In contrast, global supply chains for large corporations often involve excessive energy consumption and waste from transportation to packaging. By supporting local businesses, you are actively choosing a more eco-friendly option, which helps reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to global sustainability efforts. And the last one is encouraging innovation and entrepreneurship. Local businesses are the incubators of innovation. Unlike large corporations, small businesses have the flexibility to experiment with new ideas, adapt to local needs, and offer unique product and service. This is particularly evident in Indonesia creative industries, from fashion to food, where entrepreneurs are constantly coming up with new, exciting products. By supporting local businesses, you are fostering an environment where entrepreneurship can thrive. These businesses are often started by individuals with a vision, a dream, or a unique idea that they want to share with the world. Every rupiah you spend at these businesses helps fuel the dream and encourages further innovation. Take the risk of local Indonesian brands in the fashion industry, like Sejauh Mata Memandang or Sukacita, which promote sustainability and local craftsmanship. This brand start as small businesses and have now grown into movement that champion ethical fashion. By choosing to support local, you become part of the journey and help drive positive change in industries that matter to you. And for the conclusion is, supporting local businesses in Indonesia is not just about economics. It's about shaping the kind of society we want to live in. Local businesses strengthen our economy, preserve our cultural heritage, and protect the environment. They create jobs, foster innovation, and bring us closer as a community. So, the next time you go out to buy something, whether it's a meal, a souvenir, or even just groceries or something like that, I encourage you to consider buying local product. Every purchase you make has the potential to uplift someone's livelihood, preserve our traditions, and contribute to the sustainability of our environment. By supporting local businesses, you are not just only investing in products and service, but also in our people, our communities, and our future. So, let's make a conscious effort to choose local whenever possible, whether it's buying a handmade batik or trying out traditional food from a local warung, or supporting local farmers by purchasing their fresh products. Every small action count. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you so much for listening, and sorry for my mistake, and I hope you are inspired to take action and support the local businesses in your community. Together we can make a difference, one purchase at a time. So maybe that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.